This is Bill. Bill works in IT for a large technology organization. Bill is absolutely slammed responding to needs arising from the COVID-19 pandemic. While the organization he works for is worried about how to keep the lights on in the current economic climate and ensure that the employees have jobs, he has his hands full with business continuity and ensuring that his users are able to work from home successfully. Bill is afraid that there's something critical that he and his organization haven't yet considered. What Bill doesn't know is that bad guys are using this disaster to their advantage and ramping up their phishing attacks. In Q1 2020, coronavirus-related phishing email attacks are up 600%. Cyber criminals have launched coronavirus-themed cyber attacks on every country in the world. Most of his users will be distracted, juggling work, kids, running the household, and more. That's a perfect recipe for cyber criminals who are in a feeding frenzy, using all of the uncertainty, fear, confusion, and stress to trick unprepared users into clicking on phishing emails to steal credentials, pilfer information, and compromise the network. And now that normal approval channels aren't in place, they can exploit his users working remotely, making the risk of CEO fraud all the more real. Bill needs an automated platform that can run training and phishing on his users that's extremely cost-effective. Budgets are tight now, but he knows that dealing with ransomware and a global pandemic could spell disaster. Bill takes a look at Spiceworks to check what real IT pros are doing in this area and which providers they're using. Bill also checks out Gartner's Peer Insights and Magic Quadrant for Security Awareness (CBT) and the Forrester Wave Report. All signs point to KnowBe4. Bill calls KnowBe4 and checks out a demo of the platform and realizes that KnowBe4 can take this off his plate so he can focus on the 100 other things he has to work on. Bill knows that his employees are his last line of defense against the bad guys. He's also assured that by partnering with KnowBe4, his employees will be trained and remain on their toes with security top of mind. Be like Bill.